Hi everybody, well today we're unboxing a brand new product, Blink XT wall mount, which is basically can be used on the inside of the house, or it can also be used on the outside of your house. It's basically like this, and it's a three-piece product, which is very notable. It has a bracket, rear plate, and a front cover, which allows you to either power it through battery or plug in a micro USB cable and hide it inside, assuming that there's a notch there, which we're going to find out in a moment. Let's get to it. Wow, a lot of things on the inside. They give you mini screwdrivers as well, if you don't have all the three of them. With all the screws. So notice that all the screws, everything that you need, are inside the package. 1, 2, 3 brackets and 3 sets of packages for 3 cameras. And by the way, they have 1 camera package also, but for the price, it's actually, might as well get the 3 package, and you will, trust me, you will get the very good use of it. Very good, sturdy craftsmanship. They are not skimping out on the hardware, so this is metal, it won't strip. Yep, I was correct. There is a notch in there for the electric micro USB wire to come in, and you can actually snake some wire inside. Very good. Let's see the front plate. So as you notice, by the way, this is for XT, so those of you who want to try it on the original Blink, I'm not certain how it will work. I will test it out later also. Looks very sturdy, will definitely fit, and you see it has somewhat of a heft to it, so it's quite big in my hand. I'll review later when I assemble the camera and mount it on the wall. Thank you for listening.